Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What's going on, investors? Recently I read an article where Nancy Pelosi had made an investment, a couple of investments. I think it was like five different investments that she made: Google, Amazon, Nvidia, the typical ones. But then she added two more that I had never heard of. And then today I saw something else where Nancy Pelosi was up 120% in her portfolio. So I had already purchased the two stocks that she spoke of that I had never heard about. But today I want to focus on Tempus AI, ticker symbol TEM. And I could tell you, since I made the purchase, and I didn't make a big purchase. This channel is all about investing on a budget, but I wish I would have made a big purchase. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks. We talk about crypto. We talk about exchange traded funds. But more importantly, we talk about showing you how to invest on a budget with 5, 10, or 20 bucks via Robinhood or the platform that you choose. Do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel, baby. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you select all so you don't miss out on future content. Hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, share the channel out and help it get pushed out to more people that may want to invest or people that may be looking for information like this. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. Let's get down to business. All right, what I'm going to be doing here is sharing my screen with y'all. And as you can see here, I already have it up on Robinhood. That is Tempus AI. Again, ticker symbol TEM, Tom, Edward, Mary. And I'm looking right here. And as I can see today, TEM is up $4.17 or 7.27%. I'm right here where the cursor is, and that is astronomical in one day. I normally don't focus on one day, but since this is such a new stock, I'm kind of curious what it's been doing lately. In the last week, y'all, it's up 32.99 cents. Please keep your focus up here. This is where I'm going to be operating. Past week, up 32.99%. In the last month, it's up 59.89%. Last 3 months, 40.55%. I'm not going to do year to date. That's just basically a month and a half. And in the last year, it is up 74.32%. And the more I think about it, why not? Since this is a new stock, why not look at year to date and see what it's been doing from January 1st until the date of this recording, which is February the 3rd. And it is up 90.44% in the last however many days that is. Year to date, what is that? 33 days. It's up 90.53%. What I'm going to do right now is scroll on down. As you can see, my market value, I have a whole $2. Again, this channel is all about showing you how to invest on a budget. You only have $5, $10, $20, and in this case, $1 or $2. With Robinhood, you won't buy a full share at $60 plus. You'll get a fractional share. And I want to say, yep, I'm up 60 cents. So when I invested in this, I invested $2, ladies and gentlemen. That was it. I just wanted to get in it to see what it was going to do. And I paid $49. It's up $15 a share since I purchased it. And I do have 0.04019 of a share. And what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and make a purchase. As we can see, it's going to default to the ticker symbol buy TEM, buy order. We are buying in dollars because we only have $5.05 worth of buying power. So we can buy a full share, and you can buy a partial share if we go to shares. But if we go to dollars, we come here and put amount. We're going to go ahead and put $5 here. Click on this. It's telling me I'm going to get 0.07743 of a share. Review the order. The market is closed right now. So it's going to tell me, give me a little disclaimer here that the market is closed. Now I can wait until tomorrow and trade, or I can go ahead and queue it so when the market opens in the morning, or when Robinhood has an opportunity, they'll make the purchase, which is typically first thing in the morning. Click that, go ahead, click buy. It should say done. There it is, done deal. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead, click done. It's not going to update anything because it's only queued for the market to open. So do me a favor, man. Have y'all heard of Tempus AI? Am I new to the party? Am I tardy to the party? Am I the only one that don't know about it? I love to hear about it. Please put it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, select all. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You never know who may be looking for information like this. It helps us get pushed out. And share the channel, share the video. And as I end each and every video, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. Y'all have a good one, baby. Peace.